Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by installing the latest iTunes. Once done, connect your iPhone with a good USB cable. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked and you tap Trust the computer. In iTunes, find your device icon on the top left and select it, then choose this computer under Backups. This forces a local backup rather than iCloud. If you want saved passwords and health data, tick Encrypt iPhone Backup and set a memorable password. Now, you're ready to begin the actual backup process. Click Backup Now and watch the progress at the top of iTunes. It shows approximate time remaining. If you chose Encrypt iPhone Backup, iTunes will request the backup password. Enter it, because that encrypts health and keychain data. Make sure your PC has at least the same free space as the backup size, otherwise the process will fail. Once iTunes shows the backup completed time, verify the timestamp under Latest Backups. If the transfer stalls, give it a minute. Large media takes longer. After completion, verify the timestamp in iTunes Preferences Right Arrow Devices so you know the backup finished. To keep a snapshot, right-click the backup in Devices and choose Archive. That prevents automatic overwrites. If you need to restore later, use Restore Backup and pick the archived entry. If the backup fails or iPhone is not recognized, update Apple mobile device drivers, reinstall iTunes from the Microsoft Store, and try a different USB port. Make sure the phone remains unlocked and you tap Trust. That fixes most problems fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.